Jinhua Coofix Tools Company Limited is located in base of China Science and Technology Hardware Industry, Yongkang, Zhejiang Province, the forefront of China's internet development. It enjoys beautiful natural scenery and the reputation of China Hardware Science and Technology City, where originates a large number of business throughout the worldwide light industry enterprises, including Coofix Company. The company is mainly engaged in import and export of goods and technology, electric tools, garden tools, hand tools, welding machines, water pumps, generators, and other hardware equipment. Coofix is the core brand of the company. As the leading enterprise in Jinhua tool trade industry and a benchmark of Alibaba Jinhua area, Coofix Company actively adopts the internet, plans global layout, participates in domestic and foreign high-level exhibitions many times every year, promotes various payment platforms and gathers wisdom, which creates the most advanced online and offline sales model, oversees warehousing, and push mode and innovation integrated marketing chain, integrates the best domestic supply chain resources, laying a solid foundation for development of international business. At the beginning of 2017, Coofix Company invested nearly 10 million yuan to integrate the best design, planning and service companies, supplier supporting systems. The latest marketing model is applied to establish overseas own storage center, and one-stop solution for tools and equipment is fully started, thus quickly promoting the products to the global market. In South America and Southeast Asia, customers have launched a shared warehouse model. It will lead to win-win in near future.